Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. You need to begin by accessing your device's keyboard and tapping on the microphone icon at the top right corner of it. If you can't see it, select this gear instead. Now you need to scroll down, select voice input, and tap on one of your available voice input options, Samsung voice input or Google voice input. They work pretty much the same, so wherever you decided, go back. Now you can click on finally visible microphone and start typing. When you're done, tap on the microphone icon over here to stop. And if you wish to turn on voice typing again, click on the same one. In order to go back completely to your standard keyboard, you can pause voice typing first, or not at all, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!